This is 10th Maths from Real Numbers chapter. We are taking exercise 1 exercise 1.5. From this exercise 1.5, we are taking 8th problem. What is the problem? We have to see here once. If 2 to the power 2 power x plus 1 equal to 3 power 1 minus x, then find the value of x. Here if we observe, two exponential forms are given. Whenever two exponential forms are equal, it is better to apply log. Okay, then immediately we can find the value of x. Okay, easily we can find the value of x. So first of all I am writing what is given. Solution given. What is given? 2 power x plus 1 equals to 3 power 1 minus x. So now we have to apply log, no? Apply log on both sides. Apply log on both sides. So then what we will get? Log of 2 power x plus 1 equals to log of 3 power 1 minus x. So see here we have to find the value of x. So if we use the power rule, this term will come before log. So what is our power rule? Log of x to the power of n equals to this power, this exponent will come before log. So n log x. So here we are using this formula. So instead of n we have x plus 1. Instead of x only 2 we have. So n will come before log. Similarly x plus 1 will also come before log. So x plus 1, here we should put bracket because two terms are there. Single term is there, no need to put bracket. Two terms, more than single term, if any terms are there, it is better. We have to put bracket. We have to put bracket. So x plus 1 into log 2 equals to, here also same like that one. Instead of n, 1 minus x is there. So this 1 minus x will come before log. Here two terms there, that's why I put bracket. 1 minus x log 3. Here we have to find the value of x. That's why here we have to separate the x. Means we should multiply x. Okay, we should multiply this x plus 1 with log 2. So x into log 2 means x log 2. Here bracket means into only, no? Plus 1 into log 2 means log 2 only. 1 into something is something only we will get. Next 1 into log 3. Log 3 for minus minus x into log 3. X log 3. Next we should find the value of x. So we have to bring this x term. And this term we have to bring to left side. So x log 2 minus x log 3 coming this side means plus x log 3 equals to this log 3. Okay, this log 3 I wrote here. Next plus log 2 coming this side means minus log 2. Why I brought this log to this side means here no x term is there. So that's why we brought to the right side. So from these two terms we have to take common. What is the common? X is the common because x log 2 plus x log 3 is there. In this term also we have x. In this term also we have x. X, if we take the common as x. X into log 2 plus log 3 equal to log 3 minus log 2. Here bases are equal, nothing is there means 10 is there. Okay, see, by using quotient rule, what we have? Log x minus log y equals to log x by y only, na, with the same basis. Okay, so you can write this as log, instead of x we have 3, instead of y we have 2. X by y means 3 by 2. Log 3 by 2. Okay. See here, x into log 2 plus log 3. By using product rule. What is the product rule? Product will be sum, or sum of the logarithms will be product of logarithm. So, log x plus log y equals to log x into y, means xy. Okay. So, here what can we write down? Instead of x we have 2, instead of y we have 3. Log xy means log x into y. So, here what? Log 2 into 3. We don't write 2, 3. Okay, if you write 2, 3, that will be 23. Variables you can write aside, but not numbers. Equals to log 3 by 2. That is implies x into log 2 3s are 6 equals to log 3 by 2. That is implies x equals to log 3 by 2 by log 6. Okay. See here we have one more formula. Log x by y equals log x base y equals to log x base a by log y base a. Okay. Whenever we have in this form, you can write like this. If we have like this, you can write like this. Here we have like this only. Same basis, nothing is there means 10 is there, no? Common logarithm. Same bases are there. So same bases are there means simply you can write log x by log x base y. So means that is what? X equals to, instead of x we have log 3 by 2 by 6. Okay. So what is the value of x? Therefore x equals to log 3 by 2 by 6. This is the value of x. Have you understood?